Hello everyone, welcome to book club. We are hosting today, and it's gonna be vampire themed. We read On Wings of Blood this month. I gave it 4 out of 5 stars. I loved it. So today we're going to get together, talk, chat, drink. On the menu, we have little cake pops, ham and Swiss sliders, little bruschetta pieces, and then we're doing a blood spritz. So that is my first step, because we have to try it. Okay, I have never made a Hugo Spritz, but I love Hugo Spritzes. So we're gonna try and make one, but we're gonna incorporate some sort of strawberry Waterloo, and we're also going to incorporate some elderflower juice to kind of give it red and kind of a bloody feel. So I have my little glass, ice, lemon, mint. You wanna smack it again, and then just one more time for flavor. And then I have my little Hugo Spritz recipe. We're gonna learn together. Saint Germain, I don't have Saint Germain. I have whatever this is. It was cheaper. I didn't want to spend 40 bucks on Saint Germain. This looked cute. It was small batched, infused with aromatic elderflower. So this is what we're working with right now. For the sparkling water, dang, this is actually not a Hugo Spritz, but I don't care. Sparkling water, usually just use club soda or whatever. I'm using the strawberry Waterloo because I want it to be vampire-esque. My favorite part, I don't know how to say this. Yeah, just use any sort of Prosecco. That was seamless. Half ounce of this, Saint Germain or any sort of elderflower liqueur, and stir. Be gentle. Got it. 4 ounces of Prosecco. I guess I'm just gonna measure it. This is going to be, oh, this is not gonna work out. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a splash of soda water for strawberry. And then just because we're making this a blood Hugo Spritz. Ooh, that smells good. A dash of that. Oh yeah. I am just gonna do the juice of 1 lemon or a little wedge. Perfect. If this is horrendous, that's good. And it's just so cute. Okay, next we are going to be making little Oreo pops. These are the best thing ever. They're so easy. You don't have to bake a cake. All you need is, well, for one recipe, you just need 1 pack of Oreos to an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Let it sit out for a while, get it to room temp. But I want to send my sister home with some extras, and I also want to devour these late at night. So we're doubling this recipe. So 2 packs of 8 ounces of cream cheese, then 2 packs of Oreos. And then what we're gonna do to make these vampire themed, we have white chocolate little, what are these? Candy coatings. We're gonna dunk the Oreo pops into the candy coating, and then my aunt made this delicious like raspberry filling that is the most heavenly thing on earth. We're gonna be splattering the cake pops with this to make like a blood effect. So we have blood spritz, check. Next, blood cake pops, almost check. And then soon we're gonna be making little toasties and then little sliders. So let's get cooking. Okay, first thing you wanna do is separate the cream filling with the cookie. So literally this part is kind of annoying. Just put the cookies in one, butter knife off. It doesn't have to be perfect, that's fine. And eat one whenever you want. Two packs of Oreos are divided. Next, we're gonna move over to a food processor. If you don't have one, get one, or find a mom that's willing to give you one. That's how I got her, and I love her. Next, literally just throw everything in here. We're gonna grind up our Oreos first. I might have to do this in 2 batches. Make this into a really fine, or as fine as you can get, Oreo powder. Is this too much?
Maybe.
We can try it. Delish. Wow. Okay, next we're going to put 8 ounces of cream cheese And the nice thing about this recipe is that it just does the work for you. Oh. Okay, make this into a dough. That looks good. And then it should look like this. All you can do, we're gonna put it into little ball forms later, and it's perfect. So now we're gonna roll this up into little balls, put them on some parchment paper or foil, and then we're gonna let that sit, chill, and then we're gonna coat it with white chocolate and then that little raspberry jam. Okay, we're kind of all over the place, but that's how cooking is anyways. So we have made our little sliders. They're prepped down below here. We have Hawaiian rolls, ham and Swiss on the inside, and then I have a butter that we're gonna put on top once they're halfway baked and melted. Now we are going to make a whipped goat cheese spread. So I have one of these little goat cheeses in here. I'm gonna start with one, see how much I need. There's not really a recipe, so we're just gonna figure it out. I'm just going to do like a little chunk of cream cheese. We're gonna whip it up, and then I'm just gonna add like some spices, some rosemary, and this is what I'm gonna put on like our little toasties. And then on top of those, I have a strawberry balsamic, and then I have a whipped goat cheese and hot honey version. So yeah, I'm so excited. So let's whip this up and we'll go from there and make any adjustments that we need to. Oops. So this is perfect. Just a nice, light, spreadable consistency. So I just did one 4-ounce pack of goat cheese and then like, I don't know, I guess half of a pack of cream cheese. And so this is what we're gonna be spreading on our toast. Okay, that completes the madness of all of our cooking. This is the final look of everything. Like, look how gorgeous this is. Hot honey and whipped goat cheese. We did these little ham and Swiss sandwiches. And we did balsamic glaze and then strawberries on this side. And the kitchen is a slight bit of a mess, but that's okay because we're gonna go read, talk about books, and have some fun. So we will go talk about books in the next little part, and I'll see you guys in the next book club.